Hey, it's Jay with Cevohcam Studios, and we're going to create a starfield for our default cube. So turn on viewport shading, add yourself a second window to work with. A second window, you want to use your shader editor. Go from the object mode to the world mode. Find your world shader texture nodes. Shift A to search for a Voronoi texture. Add that in. Shift A to search for a color ramp. Add that in, plug the distance from the Voronoi into the factor of the color ramp, and the color of the color ramp into the color of the background. Switch the location of the black and white tabs. Put the black tab to 0.1 or somewhere around there. Change the scale to 500, and you're done. As you can see in the preview and the render view, you have a very simple starfield for your default cube. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe.